In search of the top accessories to maximize the performance of your DJI Mini 4 Pro, seek no more. The top 5 accessories that will improve your drone flying experience are covered in this video.
Welcome to Best Budget Info. Here, we review tech products to help you make the best purchasing decision. Our team stays busy to keep you updated on latest tech trends. To purchase the right product, check out the links in the description and subscribe to my channel.
On number 1, we have Yeteeth Silicone RC2 case. With this premium case, your RC2 and all of its parts are well protected. The case is composed of sturdy silicone that is impervious to water, dust, and scratches. Its tight fit guarantees that your drone will remain firmly in place while being transported. The tiny shape of the Yeteeth Silicone RC2 case is one of its most notable qualities. Because it is made especially for the RC2, carrying it around will be a breeze. The exact hole location does not interfere with the remote control's regular operation and precisely matches the buttons on the device. Swiping down from the top of the screen to open the app is not impacted by the silicone case for the RC2 remote control. Quick settings. The silicone cover casing is pliable and soft, allowing for unlimited knitting without buckling or deforming. Simple to assemble and dismantle. Apart from its functionality, the Yeteeth Silicone RC2 case boasts an elegant appearance. On number 2, we have Neewer ND and CPL Filter. A must-have accessory for anyone looking to get the most out of their DJI Mini 4 Pro is the Neewer ND and CPL Filter. This set of filters is intended to improve color saturation and reduce glare in your aerial footage. You'll be able to easily take lovely, polished-looking pictures with this filter. With light reduction ranging from 3 to 8 stops, the ND8, ND16, ND32, ND64, ND128, and ND256 action camera filters offer fine exposure adjustment for active outdoor pursuits. They successfully reduce overexposure and improve picture quality in a variety of lighting scenarios. In bright, sunny weather, the ND neutral density filter works great for photography. By lowering the quantity of light entering the camera, it makes it possible to employ shorter shutter speeds and produce fluid, realistic motion blur. This is very helpful for recording films or taking pictures of moving objects. The circular polarizer CPL filter, on the other hand, does wonders to enhance the overall quality of the image. Photos that are more vivid and detailed are produced by reducing reflections and increasing color saturation. On number 3, we have FPVtosky hard case. Wanting to safeguard their investment, DJI Mini 4 Pro owners must have the FPVtosky hard case. This robust and long-lasting case is made especially to offer your drone and all of its parts the best possible protection. Whether your drone is being stored at home or traveling to a far-off place, this durable cover will shield it from knocks, scrapes, and even small falls. The Mini 4 Pro case is made of pricey, high-density EVA material that has been precisely cut. It has a moderate level of hardness and is resistant to deformation, making it easy to store and remove the drone and its accessories while shielding them from impact. Improved protection is offered by the thickened soft wave sponge cushion. The FPVtosky sturdy case's unique foam insert is one of its best features. This foam has been precisely cut to ensure a snug and secure fit for the DJI Mini 4 Pro and its attachments. Because the foam is shock absorbent, it will protect your drone from collision damage by cushioning it. On number 4, we have Cynova battery charging hub. The Cynova battery charging hub is a revolutionary product for owners of DJI Mini 4 Pros. With the help of this attachment, you can charge numerous batteries at once, saving you time and guaranteeing that you always have a fully charged battery on hand. You can fly your drone for longer periods of time without worrying about running out of juice because it can charge up to 3 batteries at once. It has the capacity to fully charge 4 batteries in 2 hours and to charge 2 batteries at once. The Cynova battery charging hub's clever charging features are among its best qualities. Each battery's power level is automatically determined and the most effective method of charging is used. This will maximize the lifespan and performance of your batteries by charging them uniformly and quickly. The Cynova battery charging hub is a multifunctional tool that does more than just recharge your batteries. On number 5, we have Mr. Shield RC2 Screen Protector. If you want to protect the screen of your DJI Mini 4 Pro, you really need to get the Mr. Shield RC2 Screen Protector. This screen protector is composed of premium tempered glass, which is extremely transparent, anti-fingerprint, and scratch-resistant. It shields your drone's display from smudges and scratches while allowing a clear view of it. The Mr. Shield RC2 Screen Protector's simple installation method is one of its best qualities. It is extremely simple to apply because it comes with all the tools and instructions needed. To ensure that the protector is securely in place, just clean the screen of your drone, align it, and press down lightly. The screen protector's precise fit guarantees a bubble-free installation. The Mr. Shield RC2 Screen Protector improves viewing quality in addition to providing excellent protection. Because the tempered glass is so transparent, you can see the display on your drone in perfect clarity. So these are some of the best accessories to buy. If you enjoyed our video, leave a like and subscribe for future updates.